Hey everyone! So it's Christmas time and I'm going to my first Christmas party tomorrow. So I was tasked to do a food, and of course I wanted something not really healthy. So I decided to make a crispy pork belly. And I've caught it on camera. I'm going to take a video of it and let you know how to make it. So I hope you enjoy this. So let's start with the onions. You want to chop them any size you want, any chop that you want. Can be half, can be quarters, like what I'm doing with this one. With the garlic, you just want to cut it in half. That's okay. You don't need to mince it or anything. You can keep the skin if you want. You just want to crush some parts of the ends of the lemongrass and keep it for later. Then put them all together in a roasting pan. First the lemongrass, then the onions, then the garlic, in any order. Just put some salt and pepper. You can put some oil if you want. I'll put the pork on top. I'm going to season it with salt and pepper. You just want to rub it in everywhere. Make sure that the flavor comes in each and every part of the pork. Then I've got some chicken stock in here. It's been boiling and I want to put it there. And it should look something like this. And before we put it in the oven, set it at 100 degrees. That's too hot. That's what I did there. So just 120 degrees. Roast it for 4 hours. So this is what I'm doing during the next 4 hours. I am a teacher, by the way, so I'll be in class and teach them. Right now I'm teaching Garden J. Finally done! There it is. After 4 hours of waiting, the pork is done. It's crispy. You can just look at that. There it is. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and watch my other videos as well.